In today's video, we are going to be talking about how VW, the automobile giants, have just opened a VW assembly plant in Accra, Ghana. Now, this is to be known that this is only one of 5 countries in the whole of Africa that hold plants like this, with the others being Nigeria, Kenya, Rwanda, and South Africa. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth have they done this? This is Ghana's act to become the leading automobile hub in Africa and try and promote and try and incentivize other big companies to come within Africa, within Ghana, with it, number one, increasing their economy, and number two, providing valuable work to the locals within Ghana. This assembly plant has the capacity to put together 5,000 standard breakdown kits per year. So that is 5,000 cars they can put together per year. If you break that down per month, that is nearly 500 per month. So that is just showing you the great work Ghana is doing and what they are actually able to achieve. So really well done, Ghana. That is amazing. Another thing to take note of, that this Ghana, the VW Ghana, is 100% subsidiary of the VW Group, which is absolutely great. Their main focus is going to be doing assemblies of standard knockdowns, and also hopefully one day, the article said they want to do fully built kits. So where they build it from the ground to the top, which will be really great to see. And another thing that you must note, that other huge manufacturers such as Renault, Suzuki, and Toyota, just to name a couple, they're also looking to open up branches within Ghana. And if it does happen, it'll be absolutely amazing with how much it'll boost the economy and how much it'll back the workforce with the local Ghanaians. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Some links will be in the description if you want to see some videos, want to see some pictures, and want to read some articles. But thank you guys all so much for the support. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world.